Oh my, look what's going on. $15 more. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Whoa, chick. Okay, let's check it out. Yep, it got a little hot. Yeah, 480 C, 896. Been away for a little bit, and I've been doing some research on different things that I can use I guess you'd call it the graphene oxide with. I've started looking into researching heat transference through the graphene oxide. And I found out that if you take a piece of metal and cover it with the graphene oxide, that it transfers the heat. So basically you can cool things off or you can heat things up with it. And that's what I'm into right now. And we're going to see what we can do with it, because there's a possibility of making steam engines or cooling systems with this. So let me show you a couple of things. Okay, one of the things that I want to show you is that, see, I've taken the graphene oxide, mixed it with silicon carbide and regular sand, quartz sand, and I've painted it onto just a plain old potted plant ceramic. What you want to notice on this is that it sticks very well to the ceramic material, and I'll show you something else. Let's put it in for 1 minute. Okay, we're going to see the temperature change. And we're basically going to leave it in there. Let's just leave it in there for 15 seconds. All right, let's take it out. What did we get? 83C, 181, 175, 187, 90. Okay. So within 15 seconds, she heated up to somewhere around 160 degrees. Not bad at all, not bad at all. Let's see what else we can do. Okay, let's put it in for 30 seconds. Whoops, let's do this right. 1 minute express. It's hard to see what it looks like inside the thing, inside the microwave. Okay, we're coming up on 30 seconds. Let's see what happens. 30 seconds. Okay, let's check it out. On 95C, that's 383 degrees. 346, 350, about 350 degrees in about 30 seconds. And yeah, you can feel the heat coming off of it. Okay. Okay, we're going to do 1 full minute. Okay. I'll bring it back when the 1 minute is over, so you don't get bored. Okay, we're coming up on 1 minute total. All right, let's check this thing out. All right. 340, 350C. Look like we're doing about 600 on that. Oh yeah, it's hot. That's hot. Okay. So, as you can see, this transfers a lot of heat, gathers a lot of heat, transfers a lot of heat. Okay, let's try something else. Okay, here's another thing I wanted to work with. I took and made a plaster shell and then put the liquid glass, silicone carbide, and sand, and the oxide